Okay, so here I am at Figueroa Tire Service, otherwise called Dynosor, and with Joe, Mario, and Mark. And this is a family-owned business for over 45 years, and I have to tell you, these guys are definitely called for what they do. You name it, they can do it. I mean, heavy-duty truck repair, which is a total niche for them. Commercial vehicles, vans, RVs, you name it. They do brakes, they do complete auto repair, suspensions. So come pay them a visit, and see, I'm even having them work on my car while I do their website. So pay them a visit here.